Linda Facci of Facci Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder with paper plates and roll paper. So you're going to need some paper towel rolls or some toilet paper rolls, depending on how long or how large you want to make these bird feeders. Today I'm going to show you how to make it with the toilet paper roll. So we're going to punch some holes on the bottom of the roll and two on the top opposite each other. Here you're going to string some string through the top so you can hang this in your garden. Now we need to spread some peanut butter on our roll. This is the fun part. This is the messy part. I think this is the part the kids are really going to love. So now roll the peanut butter covered roll into your bird seed. Now you have that. Now it's time to insert these chopsticks, or you can use straws, in through the holes so you have a place for the birds to perch on. With this string, just hang it in your garden and you can have some fun watching the birds feed off of your bird feeder. This is Linda Facci of Facci Designs. Thanks.